You're young, you're ambitious, and you want to make it big in life. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step plan to becoming a remote high-ticket closer. It's how my client Adrian made 7K in one day, how Alex made 5K in 1 week, and how Louis made 2.5 grand in one day. And today I'm going to be breaking down exactly how they did it so that you can follow the proven roadmap and start closing high-ticket deals from anywhere. Firstly, what is a high-ticket closer? A high-ticket closer is a sales rep for an online business that is selling a premium service that usually ranges from $5,000 to $20,000. The business generates interest in their service through organic content and paid advertising on social media. Then someone from the business, usually an appointment setter, contacts those who are interested and books them into a meeting with you, the closer. You take these calls on Zoom, and when you close the deal, you earn a commission. The beauty is you don't have to chase leads, run paid ads, deal with customer service. All you have to do is show up and close the deal. You're leveraging an existing business without years of experience or a bunch of capital to get started. Now, if you want to succeed as a high-ticket closer, then you need to master sales. Sales is the one skill that every millionaire entrepreneur started with. Alex Hormozi, Grant Cardone, Mark Cuban, all of these people started in sales before they started their own businesses. And the reason why is because sales is a skill that will always be in demand, and it's the most foundational one in business. Plus, if you know how to sell, you'll never be broke. So with that said, step one is learn sales. You can start with videos on my channel, and you can also read books like To Sell is Human and How to Win Friends and Influence People. This step is crucial because, as I'm sure you're aware, there's no point of working as a high-ticket closer if you don't know how to sell. But the thing is, learning the theory isn't enough. To get really good at sales, you need to practice, and you need to do so every single day. Imagine trying to get strong in the gym by reading books and watching videos. It doesn't work. You have to go into the gym and actually lift some weights. The same thing applies to sales. So the best way to practice is through mock calls or role plays. You can do this with a friend, a like-minded individual, family member, whoever. One person plays the sales rep and the other person plays the prospect. You practice pitching, objection handling, and closing the deal. Do this once or twice every single day and you'll get very good very quickly. And at first, you're probably not going to be great, but that's normal. Just give it some time and practice and you'll be great. Role plays are the closest thing to a real sales call, and they'll give you the confidence you need so that when you land that first position, you're ready to absolutely crush it. Now, step two is landing your first closing role. Once you have the foundational skills of sales, it's time to land that first role with an online business. And here's exactly how to do it. Start by creating a new Instagram account and following business owners in niches like SMMA, dropshipping, or Amazon FBA. Engage with their content, like, comment, save, share. And what this is going to do is it's going to train Instagram's algorithm to just keep showing you people who need high-ticket closers like the ones you're interacting with. It's like having a personalized feed of potential opportunities. And then, once you have that list of people, it's time to message them. The biggest mistake I see is people overcomplicate this. Start with something like a genuine compliment about either their content or their client success. Then explain that you're a high-ticket closer and show them what you've got and what you're capable of and why they should work with you. And then it's simple. You just ask them to jump on a call, and then it's time for an interview. Most people don't respond to the first message, so make sure to follow up at least 5 times. This is going to do 2 things. Firstly, it's going to allow you to stay at the top of their inbox, so you're top of mind. And secondly, it's going to make you stand out because no one else is following up, and it's a key part of sales, so you're already showing off your abilities. If you want to go the extra mile and stand out, I recommend you send personalized videos, as no one is doing that. And second thing I recommend you do is messaging them on every single platform they're on. LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You'll stand out, and it's a sign that you really, really want it. And hunger wins every single time. Now it's step 3, making sure that you choose the right business to work with. Not all businesses are going to set you up to succeed. You have to filter out the bad ones and make sure you're not wasting time on crappy offers and only working with the best of the best. And the way to do that is by asking these questions and understanding this information on interviews. You need to understand how much revenue they're generating per month, make sure they have testimonials and proven results, and also get an understanding for the goals they have in the next 12 months and if you're a good culture fit for that company. Here are a few red flags that you want to avoid. The first one is if they have no testimonials and client results, I would avoid it because it's just going to make your job on sales calls a lot harder because you'll have very little conviction that it works because it hasn't worked yet. Secondly, if they expect you to generate all the calls in your calendar, then that's not worth your time because as a closer, you only want to be dealing with meetings that are booked into your calendar by the appointment setter that works at that company. And the final thing is if the business is new and lacks a proven sales system. And that's it. Now it's just time for action. High ticket closing changed my life and the lives of all of my clients. It's allowed us to make 10, 20, and even 30K a month online. But watching this video alone won't get you the results. You have to take action and most importantly, stay consistent. If you want my personal help to becoming a high ticket closer, then check the link down below and see if you qualify to work with us. I hope you enjoyed this video and as always, jump and build on the way down.